how have you approached financial resilience?
I'm someone who came from India about 7.5 years ago as an immigrant. And I think when a lot of us come in, the first realization I had was how expensive this country really is. I remember this moment of taking a taxi from, the airport to university, and it was like $50, and I was like, oh my God. And the reason I share that is because I think I came in with that idea of trying to really survive and make ends meet in the country. And I think financial resilience, I realized over time, is more about shifting mindset from surviving to thriving. And I think for me, what really helped change the needle there was three main things. I think number one was understanding what financial resilience really means. And that meant connecting with people who have the knowledge, who have done it before for themselves, which could be experts at banks, or it could be people who have been here long before me. I think the second piece of it was shifting my mindset as well, because I think there's so much uncertainty in this space with taxes changing, immigration changing, and you don't really know what's going to happen, and it's so easy to feel lost in the moment. So I think really shifting my focus on things that I could really control, which wasn't necessarily how much I was making at that time, but it was more about maybe where am I spending my money, how am I thinking about where I'm spending my money, making a decision versus spending on needs versus wants. Last but not the least, I think it's also about being very clear on what are your own numbers and what are my financial goals. Where am I today? Where do I want to get to? And what are some actions, like even simple actions, even if it could mean like checking your bank every single month to see where did I spend money and how could I make it better, how much am I saving. I think those three things really helped me.